Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use keyboard shortcuts on iPad Pro M5. So, to use the shortcuts, we need to click and hold the globe button that is on the left bottom side of your keyboard. And now we have a couple of these. So, first the arrows left and right to switch between the open tabs. Now arrow up to open the background apps. You can select one of these and click enter to open. Now globe and H takes us to the home screen. Globe and S opens the Siri that I don't have set up yet, so that's why it won't open. Then globe and Q opens the stick notes and closes them. The globe and C opens the back settings, and once again to close them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.